Hello everyone, welcome back to Joanne Creates, where I create videos about bullet journaling and art supplies. Today's video is a Sketchbox unboxing. As you see here, I haven't opened it yet. I kind of have a clue as to what is inside, but because I watched a few other videos, but yeah. The box on the outside is designed by Angela Millie. This is her Instagram handle. It's kind of cute. Let's open it. Oh, I always love their branding, how they have the tissue paper. So I'm going to just take everything out, and then we will go from there. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to put the box over here, and we're going to see what we have. So this is the little sheet of paper that they put inside. So I'm going to read off of it what we have. First things first, this is the artwork that was included. That's very beautiful. It's a bird. It's by Kyle Kruskoff. I may have pronounced his name wrong, and I'm sorry. But there's the Instagram handle and their private website. Very neat. I like that. Okay, and then this is the nice little sticker of ink, which, you know, I see why they gave us that. So, this is an accordion style notebook. And it's got the Sketchbox logo down there. So this goes like that, and I feel like this is a special thing, so I'm not going to waste it on doing swatches. I'm going to save this for something a little bit cuter than all that. And then we have these, which are custom Marabou ink, Aqua ink set with sunshine yellow, quin gold, and pearl red. These ultra brilliant pigmented inks are uniquely transparent and light fast. We worked with Marabou to curate this set, which includes 2 new colors and was inspired by sunsets. Okay, so there's sunshine yellow, quin gold, which almost has a green hue to it, and then what was the other one? Pearl red. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, ultra brilliant pigmented watercolor ink, water-based, naturally transparent with high light fatness. For watercolor techniques with brush or drawing pen, even when dried, can be dissolved completely with water. Shake vigorously before use. Interesting. And we have this Ecoline, I don't know how you say that. It's a brush pen in the yellow, which is interesting because we have the yellow up there. I wonder if it's a different kind. We have a micron pen in 0.5, or is it 0.5? I think it's 0.5, but it's in, oh wait a minute, okay, it's in a color, so it's a Sakura Pigma Micron. It's in just a brown, so that's kind of interesting, but it goes nicely together. So this is a silver brush, Crystal Series Filbert. So filbert just means that it's curved on the edge. So when you're painting, you get that same shape. It's kind of really nice. Okay, so this is, oh boy, just hold on. It's got a sticker keeping it closed. Okay, so this is Stone Ground Watercolor in Ultramarine. This handsome watercolor can be used in combination with the Marabou Aqua inks to create a full color spectrum. That's kind of cute. Oh, hello. Okay. Ultramarine blue. That's cute. I'm going to have to find storage for that because I don't have any loose watercolor inks like that. Okay, let's open these up. I have used inks before. They're quite fun. Give this a good shake. Okay. So let's give this a go. There's some water here. Now I'm curious, so if we put some wet down, I'm just very curious. So we have this pen. Oh, it's a very nice one. Oh, okay, you can do a wash. That's kind of neat. I like that. Pretty standard. I'm pretty sure most people have used a micron pen before. Just want to see if this is okay. There is a bit of color. If I let it dry though, I think it would be a bit better. Okay, let's see. Let's give it a little bit to activate this watercolor. That's a nice color. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Oh, look at that color. It's so beautiful. Look at how bright that is. I like that. Okay, now we're going to try some of these inks. I wish I had a palette. I don't really. So we're gonna just have to be super careful. Still have blue in my paintbrush. Okay, maybe over here. Okay, maybe even off the lid. It's interesting. There's a little bit of a difference between the yellow of the pen and then this, but not an awful lot. Let's just put it that way. I find it very interesting that they've chosen that. Oh, even the gold. I thought that was a little bit interesting. I don't find much variance between those two. Okay, and let's see. Oh, the red's nice. Like, theoretically, you do have your primary colors. You have an awful lot of yellow. I'm just very curious here. This palette. I'm just very, very, very curious here as to what is going to happen if we mix, like, let's say this yellow, got that, and then let's see, blue. Know that that's really coming out of green. It's kind of coming out very muddy. That is the yellow and then the blue, the ultramarine blue. Oh, I see the green a bit. Okay, so what if we had red? Here. Oh, I see purple on this one, but it's still very kind of murky. It's not, it wouldn't be my favorite. It wouldn't be my favorite kind of purple. And then orange. I feel like orange, we're going to get a pretty good orange from this. Let's see here. And then we go here. Let's, yeah, like, that's a nice orange. Interesting. Well, thank you everyone for joining me today for my unboxing. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and tune in next week for a whole new video. Thank you. Bye.